In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Optimus Futures to TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to TradingView.com and you want to sign into your account, or of course create one if you don't have one yet, and then you want to hover over Products up top and click on Supercharts. Now, when you are loaded inside their supercharts over here, you want to click on the trading panel button down here at the bottom. So I'm currently connected to paper trading, but for you, you're not going to be. All you're going to see is a list of brokers, which is going to look like this, okay? So here, if you don't see this, make sure you actually just drag it up or click on this button to make it full screen whenever you click on the trading panel. And then here, to actually connect Optimus Futures, you'll first have to find it, okay? So what I would recommend is scroll down, click on Show All Brokers, and then in here you can see a bunch of different brokers here. You could find it manually, or what you could also do is you could just basically go ahead and press Ctrl F on your keyboard and just type in Optimus. And then there we go. As you can see, it found it over here on my screen. So you could just click on that over here by clicking on Optimus Futures. You can select if you want to connect a live or demo account. Click on the connect button. It's going to take you to a separate page where you're going to have to basically log into your account, and whenever you put in your credentials, there we go, so the username and password, you'll then be able to connect your account on Optimus Futures directly to TradingView and start using it here on TradingView. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.